I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ. McDonald's wows Wall Street with a big sales increase.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler. The ECB leaves interest rates unchanged.
And I'm Scott Gamm. Yahoo attracting 30 brands to air ads during its live stream of Sunday's Buffalo Bills game in London.
Well, stocks are open strongly higher here today, and McDonald's adding more than 50 points to the Dow so far today. We'll get to that in a second, but first, Caterpillar finding itself weighed down by slowing global growth. It was especially stung by weakness in the oil and mining sectors, but McDonald's, totally different story, saw its first sales increase in 2 years. It implemented a turnaround strategy that included customizable burgers and all-day breakfast. The company said the new crispy chicken sandwich as well as the new breakfast hours lifted U.S. sales. And also, Eli Lilly raised its outlook for the rest of this year. Sales of some drugs were stronger than expected, and its new animal health unit performed well also. Now, European stocks mixed today after a big decision by the European Central Bank. Rhonda, what did the ECB do today?
Jane, the ECB decided to make no changes to current interest rate policy. At a news conference this morning, ECB President Mario Draghi said downside risks remain for the economy. He cited concerns over increasing uncertainty in emerging markets and what that would do in terms of demand for Europe's exports. He also cited weak commodities prices. Draghi said Europe's quantitative easing program will continue. He said QE so far is having a favorable impact in the credit markets. More news today from Yahoo after some disappointing earnings this past week. Scott?
That's right. Some good news for the web giant. Yahoo says over 30 brands have scooped up commercials for Sunday's Buffalo Bills Jacksonville Jaguars game, which will be streamed for free live on Yahoo. A host of major companies like Microsoft, Cadillac, Citi, and American Express will be featured, but acquiring the rights from the NFL to stream the game didn't come cheap, costing Yahoo reportedly $20 million. Of course, Yahoo making a big bet on the stream, hoping to attract a global audience to a U.S. football game, which, by the way, is being played at London's Wembley Stadium. Jane, back over to you. Of course, we're following a slew of major earnings reports after the closing bell today.
We are, and also, Rhonda, parents be aware there's a looming Lego shortage for the holidays.
That's right, Jane, and you shouldn't worry too much because I have to tell you the problem is not in the U.S., but Lego did say it's not going to be able to meet demand from some European markets. No specifics on which markets in Europe will be Lego-free this holiday. That's it for us. Check in with the street throughout the day for news and analysis.